Halo arek-arek konco-koncoku semuanya, my name is Kaniza Feruzahra and this is my final test for linguistic in LT class. Okay, today we will learn about linguistic. Did you know guys what is linguistic? Linguistic is the scientific study of language and its structure. This field encompasses the analysis of language form, language meaning, and language in context. As a scientific discipline, linguistic is a descriptive rather than perspective. It seeks to explain how language actually functions rather than dictating how it should be used. What is the correlation between linguistic with English language teaching? In the context of language teaching, linguistics serves as a diagnostic instrument. An educator must understand the internal structure of the target language, like identify systematic errors made by students, develop teaching materials based on the contrast between the student's native language and the target language, and last, explain the mechanism of language production accurately, moving beyond mere institution. In linguistic in LT, we learn so many discussion like phonetic, phonology, syntax, morphology, and other, and etc. And now we will talk about phonology. What is phonology? Uh, Phonology is the system of language sounds. Okay, but phonology is often confused with phonetics. Yet theoretically, they have fundamentally different vocal points. Distinction between phonetics and phonology. Phonetics focus on the physical properties of sound. This includes articulatory phonetics, how sounds are produced by the vocal organs; acoustic phonetics, the transmission of sound waves; and auditory phonetics, how the ear perceives sounds. And phonology focus on the function, behavior, and organization of sounds within a specific language system. Phonology studies how these sounds are organized in the mind to distinguish meaning. The essential concept in phonology. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in a language system that serves a meaning distinction function. The example, the difference between P and B in English in minimal pairs such as pet and bed. Technically, both sounds share the same place of articulation, bilabial, but they differ in terms of phrasing, vocal cord vibrationnya. The second is allophones. Allophones are a phonetic variation of a single phoneme based on its environment. Based on based on its distribution, which do not change the word's meaning. The example, when the phoneme P in the word pin expiration, a strong puff of air occurs, whereas in the word spin, the expiration is absent. Although the physical sounds differ, native speaker categorize them as the same phoneme. The third, syllables and phonetics. Every language has phonetics constraints, which are rules governing the permitted combination of sounds within a syllable. Syllable structure consists of the beginning, the vowel core, and the end. Significance: English allows for complex cluster. Example, strength, which often pose a significant challenge for students whose native language have simpler phonetic structure. And the last is suprasegmental features. There are features of speech that expands over more than a single individual segment or phoneme. Lexical stress emphasize on a specific syllable that can change the word class. Example, export is a noun versus export is a verb. And intonation, the melodic pattern of rising and falling pitch that serves communicative function, such as distinguishing between declarative and interrogative sentence. Next, the implementation of phonology in English language teaching. The primary reason why a profound understanding of phonology is crucial for language teacher are: the first, pronunciation accuracy. It enables teacher to provide precise articulatory instruction to students. The second, listening comprehension. It helps students recognize connected speech and sound variation in natural conversation. And the third, linguistic literacy. It provides teacher with the credibility to offer systematic explanation for sounds production rather than relying solely on mimicry. By mastering phonology, we transition from being mere English speakers to language analysis, capable of deconstruction the phonological barriers faced by learners. Okay, thank you.